Hi children, now let's do some sight singing. Before we start singing, I need you to clap the rhythm for me. 1, 2, there you clap. Yes, ready, go. Tick, 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 ta. Now let's look at the solfege. This is your do. Do, do, so, so, la, la, so. Ooh. What about the next one? This is your so, you start from fa. Fa, fa, mi, mi, re, re, do. The tunes is so familiar, right? Now let's check the next one. So, 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 fa, fa, mi, mi, re. Now, can anybody tell me the next few lines answer? I'm sure you can. So, so, fa, fa, mi, mi, re. Do, do, so, so, la, la, so. Fa, fa, mi, mi, re, re, do. Yes, it's a song, Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. So easy, right? Now we are moving to a difficult one. Let's check. 1, 2, there you clap. Tick, 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 ta. Now you start from do. Let's check. Ready, sing. Do, re, mi, so, la, so, fa, mi. The next one. So, ready, go. So, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. The next one. Re, mi, fa, mi, re, mi, fa, so. The last one, let me move my head. You start from me. Ready, go. Mi, so, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. Now, all these are in stick notation. We are now moving to staff notation. The first one, you start from fa. 1, 2, there you sing. Fa, mi, fa, so, la. And the next one. You start from do. Let us check the answer. Do, re, mi, so, so, re. Now, the last two are more challenging because they have more than 4 beats. Can you challenge yourself? The first one, let us clap the rhythm first. Yes. Now, I have given you 2 tips so that for you to check. The first one, you start from la. Are you ready? 1, 2, there we go. La, 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 fa, fa, fa. Fa, re, re, re. Do you get that? Now, the last one. Whoa. You start from re. Let us try. Re, mi, fa, la, sol, fa, mi, mi, mi. Do you get all correct? If you do, congratulations. Now, that's all for today. Bye.